Hello. If your iPhone is stuck at the Apple logo and is not starting up, we can help. There is a 90% chance that we will be able to repair it without any data loss, meaning your media, text, apps, and contacts will remain intact, meaning they will not be erased while we restore your device back to normal. However, we will inform you if your device cannot be recovered without erasing the data. To send your iPhone to us for repair, step 1. Place your iPhone into a ziplock and label the ziplock with your first name, last name, city and state. Step 2. Write a check for the repair. The details of the payee and the amount are mentioned in the description below. Step 3. Place the ziplock containing the iPhone and the check into a self-addressed Postage-Paid bubble mailer. Do not seal this bubble mailer. Fold the unsealed return bubble mailer and place it into an envelope or bubble mailer that you will use to send to us. After the repair, we will use the unsealed bubble mailer to send your device back to you. Please ensure your name and address is correct on the return envelope or bubble mailer. To avoid any delays, please ensure the check is enclosed in the package you're sending to us. Mail the envelope or bubble mailer that contains the return bubble mailer and the check to us at the address in the description. If for some reason we are unable to recover your device, we will return your device and your check back to you in your return bubble mailer. Please note, there is no charge for the time and labor spent on the attempts to recover your device if we can't recover it. You can call or text us on the phone number in the description. Thanks for choosing our services.